Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel, glad to see you here. As usual, today I'm going to show you how I'm making money on binary options and what should I do if I've lost or if I won. I'm using indicators today, so in this video you can understand how to use MACD indicator, for example. There are a lot of more different indicators, but I'm using this one. I want to show you how to do that. You see let's start from the basics. You have the expiration timeline. This is the line that shows the time when you can make your purchase, when you can make your prediction. I like to make my predictions right in front of this line according to the situation on the market, but right in front of this line. In that case, you can be more specific, you can be more correct and accurate. So here you have the two buttons. Okay, I've lost my previous bet. This is great. It's absolutely great. In that case, I can explain to you what to do next. I'm making my amount 2.5 times bigger. This is called Martingale system, and you can search on it in the internet. I'm making 2.5 times bigger my bet, because if my next prediction will be correct, I will get back my money that I've spent on my previous bet that was wrong, and will make profit. Okay, what I did, I made my prediction. I've made my bet at $250, and I told that the price will go down. This will be the second fail right away. Yep. Okay, let's switch to, for example, $700. 2.5 times bigger or more. Okay, price will go down according to this graph, because you see the cross the line right here. You see the line crossed, and that's why my prediction is down going trend. To understand the whole picture, we need to scroll out a little bit. Scroll out and see the picture, what is going on, what is the trend. Okay, I've made my bet right on the bottom of this bar. Alright, I can afford it. 1.5, 1,500, new option. As you see, this graph shows you the movement of the market. Actually, I will pass this one to see what's happening here, because as you see, the movement is unpredictable almost. This sidewalks is it's not great situation, because in this case the market is pretty stable and not moving, and you can make money on the movement of the market, the movement of the price. Right now the situation is like that. The price is not jumping, it's pretty stable. Let's see what's happening, and let's see let's see what the movements are. Of course, you can switch to different type of chart. You can choose it right here. Okay, upgoing situation, pressing higher, and you see the price fell down right away, because usually I make my opinions on this movement, this fast movements, not considering the graphs and not considering the indicators. I'm using just with my eye and with my own expertise, with my own experience. Right now, my prediction was wrong, and I've lost 1,500, begging apart. But I was close. You see, I was close right here. So actually, my prediction was correct, but okay, let's say 3,200. 3,200. 8 seconds. Call. I press call. So now, if my prediction will be correct, I will get 2,500 bucks. That means that I will get back all of my money that I've lost on my previous bets. Let's see what's happening. 15 seconds. As you see, I've made my prediction right in this point, right on the cross of these lines. Right on the cross of these lines, and in that case, it shows you the way of the movement of the market. All right, 2,000 as I was expected. If you want, you need to change your amount to the first one. You need to change amount to the first one, and it was 100 bucks. I'm making it right now. So guys, I showed you the MACD indicator, and I showed you how to make deal with that. If you want to try, you can find all the useful links in the description of this video. I showed you how in like a couple minutes you can make normal money, not big, not less, but normal money. Try it for yourself. All the useful links under this video in the description panel. Wish you good luck. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is my advice. And please, kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel and to watch my videos. Press the notification button not to miss all my new videos. See you and have a great day.